Hi everyone, welcome to Arm Candy. We've got another gorgeous little mulberry for you today, and this is the Mulberry Mini Lily. So I'll show you the features. So we've got one nice long chain and leather strap, and I'll just show you up there. That looks beautiful, it's in beautiful condition, that strap. And then we have got a flap closure and of course the iconic Mulberry postman's lock. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So in there we've got super soft micro suede lining, and then we've got 3 little card slots at the back, and then other than that it's just one main compartment in there. The condition of this bag we have called good all around, and I'll show you why. So you can see it's got quite kind of a soft structured shape anyway, so it's quite comfortable, but we've called it good just because you can tell that it has been pre-loved and used before. It's a similar situation with the interior. You can see there's no particular marks or anything for me to show you. It's just a case of you can see that it has been pre-loved. Hardware we've called good. This postman's lock on the outside is actually still in really nice condition. There's not many marks or anything on there for me to show you, but it's just underneath. You can see underneath this flap, and on there you can see that is starting to show signs of wear around the edge there and around the edge here. There's a few kind of hairline scratches and things like that. So that is why we've called the condition of this one good. If you love this as much as we do, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous little bags like this that we have to show you. I'll show you what this mulberry comes with. So we've just got a little mulberry dust bag to keep that protected. If you'd like to know the exact measurements of this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you directly to this bag on our website. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. You guys love Mulberry, so it sells so quickly. But what you can do is get on our request list. So you do that by just getting in contact with us, let us know what you like, and we'll get you on our email request list. And then as soon as we get in a bag that you like, we'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there before everyone else. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll just come back and show you the size on me for reference. So if it's any help, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So with that nice long strap, I think I would wear it probably as a crossbody like that. And it's just so sweet, it's such a nice little size. Easy to kind of bring around with you everywhere you go, and it's a nice long strap as well, so for the winter months if you've got a big kind of puffer coat on as well, it would definitely still fit round. But yeah, it is very, very sweet. For more details on the bag, go to the link in the description below, as I said. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And also on our website you'll find the how to sell with us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, go onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.